Today's video is on the top 3 dash cam for car in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I have included affiliate links below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 3, best budget, Rove R2 4K Dash Cam. I knew I was in for a real treat from the moment I unboxed the Rove 4K Dash Cam, because most of the time, when a dash cam is affordable, it is usually the worst you can wish for. But not the Rove Dash Cam. I was impressed by the functionality of this dashboard camera. The video quality was nothing short of impressive, thanks to its 4K resolution. The camera comes with a wide-angle lens that easily captures every detail. My daytime videos were stunning, and while the nighttime ones were a tad slow, the quality was still up there. The onboard screen, while small, did a great job. I could view the videos with clarity. I was, however, taken aback when I viewed the footage on my PC. The detail and clarity were way better then. The parking mode is also convenient. The camera captured everything every night. I also like the time-lapse mode, which is great for parking surveillance. I also found it handy as it helped manage my SD card storage space. The Rove Dash Cam comes with built-in GPS, which you can easily use to find efficient driving routes. This function also provides you with your location and speed at a given time after the fact. The loop cycle recording feature is also particularly useful, as it ensures your camera never runs out of space. Installation is easy. The camera comes with a variety of mounting materials and an instruction manual. I decided to use the suction cup mount, and while it was quite unstable, it never fell off. Number 2, best overall Redtiger Dash Cam. If you are in the market for a feature-packed and reliable dash cam, the Redtiger front and rear dash cam is worth considering. My wife and I have been using this dash cam for a few days. Now, one of the major features of this dash cam that stands out is its 170-degree wide-angle lens that gives you a broad view, making it ideal for recording the road ahead as well as the surrounding areas. With a rear wide angle of up to 140 degrees, there is nothing behind you are going to miss. Another feature that stands out is its superior night vision. I have found that this dash cam captures detailed footage even in low light conditions, something you won't find in many cameras in its class. This is thanks to its ultra-large aperture, HDR, and WDR technology. The dash cam also comes with a 3-inch LCD screen that makes it easy to view footage. I also appreciated its G sensor, which automatically saves and locks footage in case of an emergency. It also has a built-in GPS, and it records your driving route, real-time speed, and location. I was able to track myself on Google Maps using the Redtiger smartphone application. You can also track with Mac GPS Player or Windows, and this helps provide additional evidence in case an accident occurs. Like I said, this dash cam is feature-packed, and I could go on and on listing them here. The only downside worth mentioning is that the camera doesn't come with hard wiring cables for parking, so you have to get those separately. Number 1, our pick, Vantrue N4 Pro Dash Cam. This is another feature-packed dashboard camera, and going by the many positive customer reviews on Amazon, it is easy to conclude that it will give you value for your money. The tubular-shaped Vantrue Pro is built with a 3-inch screen, making it easy for you to review footage. The front camera supports up to 4K resolution in all 3 channels, delivering cinematic image quality. I could easily read license plates day or night. With this dash cam, you can monitor your car's interior, front, and rear simultaneously. It comes with a wide 155-degree front field of view. With the interior and rear cameras, you get 165 degrees and 160 degrees, respectively. I have to appreciate the dash cam's night vision. The camera adopts the Sony Starvis 2 image sensor, which does a great job capturing footage in very low light. The level of clarity of the night footage this camera records is way better than I have seen in many dash cams. The camera also comes with up to 4 parking modes. It has upgraded and buffered motion detection capabilities, allowing you to manually adjust the recording area. This is especially helpful when you want to avoid trivial footage that can occur due to changes in the skylight or even falling leaves. This feature also helps to save space on the SD. And oh, the camera supports up to 512 memory cards. The Vantrue is truly a top quality product. I cannot comprehensively cover all the features it comes with in this short video, but when you try it, I'm sure you will agree with me. While it is a bit expensive, you will appreciate what it offers. You wanted the best? You got it. That's it for the top 3 dash cam for car in 2024. For more product info, check the affiliate links and our website, toppick3.com. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest product videos.